Hello, thank you for joining us as we discuss the Dietetics degree program. As a reminder, my name is Stratton Lee, and I want to introduce you to your dietetics advisor.
Hello, my name is Jill DeJagger, and students call me Mrs. DeJagger. I'm the academic advisor for dietetics, and I also do some teaching in the food science and human nutrition department. I've worked at MSU for 6 whole months now, and I feel quite at home here in dietetics. I'm a graduate of the program myself, and I've worked in the nutrition field as a dietitian for close to 20 years.
Okay, thanks, Mrs. DeJagger. How do you describe this major and field of study to students?
Well, if you're curious about how the food you eat impacts your health, and if the idea of helping others optimize their nutrition energizes you, dietetics could be the right fit for you. What really sets the dietetics program apart from other nutrition-related programs is that it's uniquely designed to prepare students to practice as RDNs, registered dietitian nutritionists, also known as registered dietitians or RDs. Obtaining a bachelor's degree in dietetics is the first step to becoming an RDN or an RD. The second step is completing a dietetic internship and master's degree. And the third step is passing a computer-based national registration exam. It's important to note that the master's degree is not required until 2024. So this means all incoming freshmen will be required to earn a master's degree in order to obtain the RDN credential, but some transfer students, depending on the credits transferred, may choose not to earn a master's degree. So students who are not interested in becoming RDNs may find nutritional sciences to be a better fit, and nutritional sciences emphasizes prevention, and it's a really great foundation for pre-med and dental students, as well as students interested in public health and health communication.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. DeJagger. Are there any concentrations or tracks that the program offers?
No, we don't have any concentrations or tracks.
Okay, so all of what you explained sounds really interesting and very exciting for students who are interested in learning about human nutrition and promoting healthy eating habits. How many students are in the program?
We currently have 200 students in the dietetics major.
Okay, so what job and career opportunities do most students pursue who complete the dietetics degree?
Well, the great news is that dietetics is a growing profession with a wide variety of career possibilities. Most RDNs work in clinical healthcare, for example, working in a hospital as an inpatient or an outpatient dietitian, maybe working at a dialysis center or a diabetes care clinic. So RDNs in this setting will provide medical nutrition therapy, assess nutrition-related lab values, recommend appropriate diets based on medical conditions and potential nutrient-drug interactions, and of course, they offer nutrition education to patients and also the families of patients. Food service management is another area where dietitians work, and this involves menu planning, food safety expertise, purchasing food and managing food service personnel. Common employers would be schools or restaurants, universities, hospitals. And dietitians also work in the community and public health nutrition arenas. And the focus here would be more on prevention, health promotion, and of course, nutrition education. Other RDNs may go into private practice and meet with clients one-on-one to help them reach their nutrition and health related goals. RDNs are also found in research, higher education, administration, and policymaking.
Wow, this all sounds really good. But more importantly, what experiences and opportunities are available for students in this program?
There's so many ways for students to be involved. First of all, we have the FNA, the Food and Nutrition Association, where students interested in nutrition can connect with each other, share resources, promote healthy eating in our community. And we also have a new group focused on promoting positive body image called SEBA, Spartans Empower Body Acceptance. We have a slow food group on campus, which supports good, clean, and fair food for all. And we also have the MSU Student Health Advisory Council, which engages in student-centered public health outreach. In addition, our department offers a study abroad program that goes to Italy and France called Global Food Systems and Health. Students may also want to engage in undergraduate research with our faculty and research teams.
Okay, wow. There definitely is a lot a student can do, and I'm super excited for them, for those that pursue this major. Are there any internship requirements?
Of course, there's the required dietetic internship I mentioned previously. That is part of the step 2 in the pathway to becoming an RDN. There are great internships all over the country and many in Michigan as well. And we even have a combined master's and dietetic internship program here at MSU. The internship application process is one that our dietetics faculty will walk students through in more detail once they are in our program. And the great news is we typically have very high match rates in our program. And this year, I'm really excited to announce that we had 100% of our students matched to dietetic internships. There are also a lot of optional volunteer and internship experiences available on campus and in our surrounding community that students can benefit from during their time at MSU. And as an advisor, I would continually, connect students with these opportunities based on their availability and based on, each of our students' unique interests.
Okay, this all sounds really good. But does the major have any admissions requirements or limited enrollment? If so, can you just explain what that is?
Yes, dietetics is a limited enrollment major. And what this means is that freshmen and sophomores may declare a major preference in dietetics, but once junior status is reached, they need to be granted admission into the upper level of dietetics. So our dietetics faculty meet 3 times a year to determine admission to the upper level. And the university requires a minimum GPA of 2.5 to be eligible for the dietetics upper level. However, we often need to place the cut point around 3.0 because it's usually not possible to get matched to a dietetic internship with a GPA below 3.0, and we want to set students up for success.